this book has a focus on physical products, a physical product, a product that has to be produced in some kind of manufacturing process, a product that has to be shipped somewhere. So that's the main difference. When you have a product that's in digital space, it's really easy to change it. And that's especially true since most software these days actually lives on the internet, where it's, they can update it anytime they want to. And the very next person to hit their website is going to get the new software. So I work with other kinds of customers where their products have 25-year lifespans. I work with this company, Gallagher, in New Zealand. Gallagher makes these agricultural products, things like electric fencing and the energizers for this, and security products, things like that. All of their products have a 25-year lifespan. So the decisions that they make as they're developing that product are decisions they're going to be living with for 25 years. And if something goes wrong, they have to send a field technician out to a farm to fix it. So that is the area that the book is focused on, that kind of product. Physical products are products like chemicals, new specialty materials. We're doing a lot of work with sustainable materials right now. Anything that has hardware, automobiles, construction equipment, machine tools, all the equipment that goes in a factory, all of those things are physical, tangible things that require a different approach to Agile.